Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to. Trust. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, but sometimes, people carry trust issues that impact how they connect with others. In this video, we'll explore 10 signs someone may have trust issues with you. 1. Difficulty in opening up. Have you noticed that someone in your life finds it challenging to share their thoughts and feelings? This could be a sign that they're struggling with trust issues. Opening up requires vulnerability, and for them, it might feel like walking on a tightrope. 2. Always suspicious. Trust issue bearers tend to wear the cloak of suspicion quite often. Even in the absence of concrete evidence, they might doubt the honesty and loyalty of those around them. 3. Emotional detachment. Maintaining emotional distance becomes a habit. They fear getting too close, as it might expose them to emotional vulnerability and the risk of heartache. 4. Difficulty accepting praise. Trust issues can manifest in the inability to accept compliments or feel satisfied with personal achievements. They may struggle with self-worth, making acknowledgement from others a challenge. 5. Constant guarding. Trust issues often lead to perpetual guard-up mode. The individual may find it hard to relax or feel comfortable, always on the lookout for potential threats. 6. Struggling to build secure relationships. Building secure and trusting relationships can be elusive for those grappling with trust issues. Fear prevents them from fully relying on others, even in close relationships. 7. Difficulty sustaining long-term bonds. Trust issues may result in a track record of short-lived relationships or frequent conflicts. Maintaining trust becomes a hurdle, leading to strained connections. 8. Excessive questioning and checking. If you've noticed someone consistently asking too many questions or excessively checking on your activities, it could be a sign of their trust issues. They feel the need to verify truths repeatedly. 9. Avoidance of team collaboration. Teamwork can be a challenge, as those with trust issues might prefer working solo. The comfort of having complete control over tasks feels safer than relying on others. 10. Overreaction to minor mistakes. Trust issue bearers tend to overreact to minor errors or slight discrepancies. Small mistakes may trigger feelings of dishonesty or ill intentions. Understanding and supporting someone with trust issues can make a world of difference. Remember, these signs don't define a person, they reflect the struggles they may be facing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, take care and keep building those bridges of trust.